Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and part 2 of Blind Cats Playing in the Garden. Mabel heard us and she came down and joined in the fun, as did Scoots. So 3 blind cats became 5 blind cats. I don't mind. I love to see them all together, the more the merrier. It's always wonderful to watch them enjoying themselves. This was yesterday. This morning we were back out in the garden again. Hugo was out this morning. He's suddenly become Mr. Independent. He doesn't want to come in.
Scoots.
He's out now. He's in the garden somewhere, but he's just staying hidden. Trauma. She's been out today. The sun has been out all day long, so I left the bedroom window open and the front door, and she took advantage of it. And she's been out on the driveway, enjoying the sunshine, playing. She's still not totally happy with other cats around her, but it is moving in the right direction, slowly but surely. So those of you that have commented on the book, thank you so much. It means so much to hear that you've enjoyed the book. As for the price, I had to bring it down. I'm a brand new author, and to get to the masses, if I'd have kept it at the same price, I mean, there are more people that don't know me than do, and I need to turn that around. So by bringing the price down, hopefully I can get out there and get recognised and read. There's a lot going on. I have my residency for 2 years, but anything after that is unsure. So I'm looking at this as my last time here, and I'm using the books. I want to write more books, another novel at least, but I mean, I have a video library now of 1800 videos. Can't use all of them, but a number of them are from rambles that we've done, whereby it's over or an hour or so of video, and those I can turn into short stories with photographs. So that's where I am at the moment. I'm already working on one. We have another one. I have another one lined up. There are more to come, but if I can get those written, get them published, I want to get onto Amazon. That will give me far more reach, and everything that I can sell goes towards getting the cats out of here and onto the to the next destination. To get them all out together is a logistical and a financial nightmare. So there is a lot to do. The audio books, I haven't forgotten about them. The best time for me to do it is in the summertime, when it's hot and the cats don't want to do anything. As soon as I start talking on video, voiceovers like now, I guarantee a cat or cats will find me. I have one now. Mabel is by me. Trauma is playing in the bedroom. My voice just activates them. If I wasn't talking, they would be sleeping. So when it's hot, I will have the time then to turn whatever books I have available into audio books to get those out there as well. There's a lot to do. It's just having the time. I mean, the weather's changing now. It's getting warmer. The cats want to be out. They want to be playing. I want to be out there filming them because I still want to do videos as well. They carry on. the channel carries on, but it's all time consuming. So we were nearly at the end yesterday. There's William, Mabel's in the middle, Scoots is over on the right, coming in. Harry was still at the end of the garden with Chico. Hope you've all enjoyed both videos, everyone. There is a little bit more video to come of Trauma. I got some of her today out and about. So as usual, we will see you all again a little bit later.